My crew and myself have made a commitment to each other to work safe every day. Our commitment to safety is what makes our team safe and successful. See something, say something, do something. That's one of our famous sayings around here, because you can see something to say something about it, but if you don't go and do something about it, it doesn't mean anything. I think planning ahead impacts safety the most because you are already planning for the exposures you're going to encounter and the exposures that might come up throughout the task as you move along. Planning, I think, is one of the major keys in being successful in safety. It allows myself or the leader to go out there and confidently make decisions that are safe. I'm most proud of my crew, the things we do, the things we've done, the places we've been, the people we've met. We do a lot of daunting tasks, to say the least. My name is Jason Cox, and planning ahead is how I take care of my coworkers on the BNSF Railway.